So let's say you have created a resource on Monsha, and now you want to share it with your colleagues, other teachers, educators, admins, even students. So you can do that by simply clicking on the share button here. Clicking it will create a shareable link, and it will be automatically copied in your clipboard. And this is how it looks for anyone with the link. They don't have to sign up or log in Monsha to see this. So they can see the same worksheet and same resource as you can see from your account. And if you make some changes after you share it with others, those changes will be reflected on the output page and shareable page as well. Now you already know you can regenerate any Monsha resource by providing your feedback here, and it will create a new version within this page. So this is version 2. That means we had a version 1 before. So the share button works on every version separately. For example, if I stay on version 1 and click on the share button, it will copy the link for version 1. And if I do it for version 2, it will copy the link for version 2. So you can uh, create different links for different versions and share it with others.